Welcome to LONGZE. Hello, welcome to LONGZE.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Shandong LONGZE machinery. I'm Jerry. Today, we are loading a large wood crusher to Europe. Behind me, you can see this large wood crusher with an 3 meters diameter large rotary drum and 200 kilowatts electric motor, and this machine capacity 8 to 15 tons power. This wood crusher suitable for many different kinds of wood waste, wood log, wood branch, wooden pallet, and this complete unit of this crusher with an main machine and 10 meters discharge belt conveyor, electric control panel, and extra rotary blade. Inside this machine, we can fit with a cutting blade or heavy hammers for different raw material.